Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is June 28th, 2020. Looking at the Dow. Looking at the Chicago here, going to run into congestion area. And also notice that the candles are close below the Tenkan and the Kijun at this point. This is looking more like a consolidation, down move. But keep in mind there's a strong bullish Kumo here to support it. However, looking at the weekly charts, notice that the weekly Kijun is flat and it's not going to be moving at least until a couple of until at least 7 weeks. So this is going to be flat. And what do we know about flat Kijuns? They are very strong magnets for prices. So I would not be surprised to see the Dow come back down into the 24,000 area to test the Kijun here. You might even overshoot to the downside, but keep in mind that we are flat here. That will be the point of equilibrium. So same situation in the SPX. We have overshot to the upside with the equilibrium down around the 2800 area. Would not be surprised to see this one tag the 2800 area and find equilibrium. So I would not want to be buying at this price, especially look at the Kumo here, which is a trending Kumo. Keep in mind the flat Senekau Bs provide a lot of support for it, but these trending Kumos, they do not provide that kind of support. So wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down to test this area. The only way to buy this market would be if the Chicago breaks out and you are above the weekly Kumo. At that point, you'll have a nice Chicago breakout even on the daily charts. Nasdaq, on the other hand, is very bullish. We are above the Tenkan, Kijun, and the Kumo on the daily charts, as well as Chicago is clear. But given the condition of the other markets, I would have to think this one goes into consolidation. So at this point, I would want to keep my stops if I have longs in place, and I would not want to buy unless the chart itself is looking compelling to buy. Looking at oil on the daily, looks like a consolidation coming up with the Chicago now going to, if they drag this sideways, could be bumping into these candles. But looking at the weekly, should give a better picture here. Notice that the prices are just consolidating around the weekly Kijun. The weekly Kijun is going to start dropping in another couple of weeks. So that'll be interesting to see. But at least for the next couple of weeks, prices are going to keep attracting to this 36 area, 36 area. Looking at gold. Gold is really shining here. Very nice chart. I would not be afraid to buy gold here. Keep a stop below the Kijun, doing a nice Chicago breakout. Bonds, extremely flat and consolidating, and looks like they're ready to break out of the Kumo at this point. Just waiting for the Chicago to break out of over the candles. As the prices go higher, interest rates are going to drop. So I would not be afraid to buy ZN here as soon as the Chicago breaks out of these candles. That's a really nice chart setting up. A lot of consolidation from early March into end of June. A lot of consolidation, a lot of force building up in here. Will not be afraid to buy this one if it breaks out. EUP for the dollar, nothing there. Just moving sideways, and there's a flat daily Kijun, which is going to act as resistance. I would not want to buy the dollar here. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly is sitting on support on this flat Senekau B support. The only way here is if to short the dollar, if the Chicago breaks down below the cloud and they run out of room here for support. If they can close below these lows, then that would be a nice short. Let's just look at one Apple. Nothing there yet. It is bullish, but given the overall state of the market, would not really want to buy Apple here. Just wait for the next consolidation. And somebody asked about AAL, American Airlines. Really nothing there. I would be surprised if they don't come back down to test these levels. So that'll be it.